Hey guys, Bavarian Auto MD here. We've got a 2017 Mini Cooper Clubman. This will apply to the Clubman and all other Mini Coopers with this type of instrument cluster with navigation. Okay, we're going to be doing service reset for brakes, oil, and a few other things. Okay, the first thing you need to do, you got to put your seatbelt on, otherwise it's going to keep kicking you out. So make sure your seatbelt is buckled. I should have buckled before, but okay. Hit the key on. Not going to start the car. Key on only. You're going to get all the warnings. Kicking on. You can just dismiss. Okay. You are going to hit the BC button on the side here. You're going to get to this screen here. Okay, you want it to be clear like I had it before. Okay. You're going to push and hold the OD trip. You're going to push and hold again.
I'm going to push it, hold again. That's for the brakes.
Reset successful. That's good. If it does not reset, you may have a problem with your sensor. Okay, let's go back to oil. We did an oil change. Press and hold. Press and hold again.
I pressed that twice.
So that's why it didn't go.
Press it again. Press it again and hold.
Okay, reset
Successful. That's good. There should be another one, I think. 22. That's good. That's good.
Alright, that's it. If you have any other questions, please subscribe, send a message. We'll look for other information for you guys. Thank you very much.